How to post anonymously on a Facebook group. So to start, we'll have to open our Facebook application, and then in here we'll have to go to our Facebook menu. To do that, we'll have to tap on this profile picture, and then under Facebook menu, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this groups option. After that, we'll have to select the group where we want to post anonymously. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this one, and then in here we'll have to scroll down, and then as you can see here, there is an option for us to post anonymously. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here as you can see on top, the option make my post anonymously is automatically toggled on. In here you can now type or create a post. So as an example, I'm gonna type here love journaling. After that, I'll have to tap on this post option, and as you can see here, I now have posted anonymously. So that's how easy you can post anonymously on a Facebook group. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!